Okay, bye. What else? What is it again? Huh? And also, what's ever come back?
But not that.
Yes, I'm you.
No, not that. I just want to say sorry for what happened the last time. I know I overreacted. It wasn't intentional, okay? Easy, man.
What's that word? You're in my dreams, you say, eh? We a boy, me a boy. And I even come by and I said, you just be a maybe what and I'm by me, you baby. I don't know the reason why here. Say me baffle crop the engine my back to. As some man can say, wow, now I walk and what do you want?
That's something I'm sorry. Okay.
It was so incomparable. And you can't even understand yourself.
You're right. You're right. Sorry for that, okay?
And I will tell you any bintra. And besides, it's not you who have me or you rented me for this house. It's your brother. I'm working for your brother. And not you. You act as if I want to see if you and I say, we'll be in the PBA and I will come on. Brown was it? What? If we are saying from baby, so bless if you are not just Ubra Ukravia. And I'll bless if you are Obra Mumnesi, one cast out only fee.
You are right.
Tibron was it?
Sorry, okay?
Thank you. Me, I don't have any problem. Okay, maybe
sure you're okay.
No problem. No problem. Same how and I'm a problem and come and I'm help you.
So are you down teaching my daughter?
Oh yeah, I'm dying.
You know, I want you to teach me. How much are you going to charge for that?
Teach you?
Yeah.
Who could school doing?
Anyhow you're going to start, I'm cool with that.
Who yes?
Yeah.
Yeah, baby.
I'm 2016.
Hey, and I'm
Why?
Send you do so in a rough finish ever quit.
Yeah, that's why I want you to teach me. Exactly.
So you want me to teach you?
Yeah. So that we can be friends.
No problem, I can teach you.
Are you sure?
Oh yeah.
So how much am I going to pay you?
Oh, they come home for like I charge based on the age. Really? Who years?
16 years.
What was it?
16 years.
I'm going to move you credit say. Oh, because 16 years.
Yeah, bro.
Hey, well, you're too funny, pal.
Hey,
yeah, you're too funny. And I said also have a problem.
For now, I'm cool with you.
I think you're too funny. Hey.
Maybe we're going to face another time.
All right.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. I just want to take my leave.
All right. Hey, man.
Hey, man.
Are you serious?
Still, as a buffo,
don't try it.
We'll be kind of my customer.
No, you are overreacting.
I'm sure soon can carry.
We are done.
And I got to hear me.
See you later.
See you later. Okay. Bye-bye.
Yeah, I went out to check some stuff, yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
I've been looking for you. I went to your room and you were not there.
Yeah, as I said, I was doing some one-two stuff out there.
I miss you.
You miss me? I miss you too. Sorry.
Princess! Princess! Hey, Princess! Princess! What is wrong? Hey, come on. What is it? What did you see?
I saw nothing.
Hey, talk to me. What did you see? Are you sure?
Yes.
Look at me. Are you sure? Yes. Are you sure? So why this expression?
And what were you doing with that coffee?
Hey, we're not doing anything. There was something on his drawer, so I have to take it off for him.
Just say the truth.
Hey, Princess. Don't talk like that, okay? You are not like that. There was nothing wrong. You saw nothing. Okay?
Okay.
What did I say?
You saw nothing.
Okay. So come here. You know I love you, right? I want you to do something for me. Promise me you're not going to tell anybody about what you saw. Especially your dad. Can you do that?
Okay.
Then promise me. Oh, pinky promise. Good girl. So, go and do your homework. Alright? Go to your room and do your homework.
Mommy, I'm hungry.
What will you eat?
I like to eat jollof rice.
Alright, anything for my darling. Don't worry. Go do your homework. After that, you can have your break, your lunch, okay?
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Take
Love
care.
you.
I love you.
Bro.
Yeah, bro.
Baby, I will call you.
Yeah. By the grace of God, I'm fine.
Now, if you say baby, of course, come on.
Yeah, as usual. Everything is going on very well.
Wife, you know what? Didn't come be say, I said like my phone and my any baby, and
Yeah, bro. What you're saying, I'm kind of surprised because I wasn't expecting this kind of conversation from you. What is really going on?
I don't understand what is going on between I and my wife. I don't understand what is going on in this house because my wife has totally changed.
Really?
Yeah.
Bro, like, I'm surprised though. What has changed? What has changed in your wife?
Kofi, enye nsem nua na metime ne waka. But say bibi koso na ebia waka asem bia ebia meye bibia enya as a man. And I won't say area say no. Ade bi ho awo ya wo de wo hu say bone. But ebia na mafom. Ba me hu. Inti na me busa as a brother, ebi ono wadi nkomo bi kokua mu a.
You're right, bro. But I don't really remember the last time I had a conversation between your wife that concerns you. So I'm kind of surprised about what you're telling me now. What is really going on? Like, I really want to know what is going on. Tell me.
Kofi, I know my wife very well. You're worried for fun. You're in Japan. Kofi, what who say me yere or ye some course beer. When the men kasa phone so ebia o de wo fi Robert Bibisa. Se bia wo ye your course do ne mema ana say at least me kwadwuma onu so pia bonten ana.
Bro, you know, I've been in this house a while with your wife. I mean our wife. And I've never seen her stepping outside the compound. I mean, walking out the gate. So I'm surprised. What is, like, I want you to tell me the main reason why we're here. What is really hidden in you? Feel free, talk to me. I'm your brother. We need to, discuss this together. Talk to me. Feel free.
Kofi,
Bro.
I suspect my wife is cheating on me.
Bro, what do you mean by your wife is cheating on you?
Kofi, I know my wife. And my heart is divided into two.
Wow.
One is business, one is my wife. So right now, I have only one heart. That is my business.
Bro, I've been in this house with your wife for some time now. And what you're saying is kind of something. I don't want to say you are accusing your wife wrongly because you're my brother and I know the kind of angle you're coming from. But bro, your wife can never cheat on you.
Kofi.
Yeah, I know the woman I'm talking about.
Are you defending my wife?
Bro, I'm not defending your wife, but it's the truth that I'm telling you. Your wife can never and ever cheat on you. she's very decent to cheat on you. And I've never seen your wife going out this house or a different man coming in this house. I know your wife is beautiful though, but she respects herself. She can never do such a thing to you. Cheating on you for what reason, bro?
Kofi, thanks so much. Oh, Radia don't be beard than now come up. I'm banning the way. You got your mommy. Ma, made the name be ma, a friend say. Debbie. Made the name be my coffee say on fan send on Fanco send the mouse one second. And I make a so on can a birthday no so no. Obana, you know, Hopa. Also, pursue the birthday of Manas into your bad need, Yamo. I was jamming shiro. I was so before. Now, Mam Pacho, I feel with you, or by a perceive be the show when you until the cardia open. Now, young Yamma, the Obama did beat me. Ma, on the dear Inca, if you are Mudia. Okay, and can't you now you're surprised, bet with you. And your mamma marking tiny board thing. It's a minute off, but the end to money at the more. Ma, was in a so dear Kinty, you will be printing coming pay at the full wounds who a crass wound to if I can't go. Paper chum. To the Yabama Kinti, a Genesis Geneso, and I'm a consul, I'm a pet, Minum Kinta to the Oba Tampa. Nankama, you with the gum Oba Tampa, Namidu the account. Mamma, that's into a body so before, in tea, baby in the idea of a chip pet. Nayamoba, if it didn't come as in amo. That's ma, bye bye.